Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an O2 sensor. First, gather your essential tools, including an O2 sensor socket, a ratchet, and reliable jack stands. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent any burns. Next, you'll need to locate the faulty oxygen sensor, which is often indicated by specific diagnostic trouble codes from an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old sensor. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to ensure electrical safety. Then, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Carefully unplug the electrical connector from the old oxygen sensor, being gentle with the clips. Finally, use your O2 sensor socket and ratchet to loosen and remove the old sensor from its exhaust bung. With the old sensor out, it's time for the new one. First, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of your new oxygen sensor. This helps with future removal. Carefully hand-thread the new sensor into the exhaust bung to avoid any cross-threading. Once it's hand-tight, use your O2 sensor socket to tighten it securely. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector and then the negative battery cable. After installation, there are a few final steps. Use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes from your vehicle's computer. Then, start the engine and carefully check for any exhaust leaks around the new sensor or any lingering warning lights on your dashboard. If everything looks good, you're all set. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.